today I am going to try out a new product from UniWigs. They call it the Rachel, and this is a 2-in-1 synthetic hair extension. And as you can see, it's one big weft of hair. Now that I have all of my hair out of that, what I want to do is go in and do the clips. Now look at how much hair I have, how beautifully this blends in with my own color. You do not see this line all the way across. My own hair is covering everything. I'm going to take this one step further, so hold on one second. I took my Hope topper and I added that as well as the Rachel Halo extensions. So I have my own hair, I have halo extensions, and then I have my topper right on top. I have a topper which goes right around here, and it's clear back here, kind of blended it in with my own hair. And then I've got the halo extensions in the back that come to about right there. So I think that's just a beautiful blending job. Colors are just perfect for my hair. And let me show you the back part of it this way too, and just how thick my hair is now. So again, you don't see anything as far as the extensions go. You don't see my cap. Everything just looks totally natural. And I want to thank them again for sending me the Rachel Halo extension. I really enjoy this. I just think they're great. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.